Hi friends, today I'm super excited to talk about something that might just blow your mind. We're diving into those incredible, almost unbelievable stories of people who went from broke to rich, sometimes literally overnight. You've probably heard the tales. Someone discovers the right path in online work, starts with nothing, and then suddenly bam, success hits like lightning. Maybe you've seen a reel or a short video of someone bragging about how they struck gold in crypto trading, binary options or Forex. And maybe, just maybe, you even joined their Telegram group, signed up under their referral link, or opened a trading account on some platform they recommended. But here's my question: have you achieved the same success they claim to have? If your answer is no, this video is especially for you. If it's yes, you're one of the lucky ones. But I still want you to watch till the very end, because these next few minutes might be the most valuable you've ever spent. Now, let's be real. I'm not here to promise you overnight riches. I'm not selling a make money online course, and I'm not asking you to open a trading account or follow someone's secret signals. I also won't say too much here, because if I expose certain people directly, this video might just get taken down. But I will tell you this: there is a simple secret behind their sudden wealth, and with one smart decision, you could tap into it too. Here's what to do. Send me a message on my Telegram channel. The ID is on the screen, in the description, and in the comments. I'll tell you for free how you can make more in 40 minutes than most people earn in a week. I have no hidden fees, no consultation charges, no book a call nonsense. My only goal is to help at least 10 people change their lives. If that happens, I'll consider my mission a success. Yes, I've been broke. Yes, I've tried almost everything to make money online and failed more times than I can count. I've been where you are right now, but then someone helped me for free. And because I learned it for free, I'm passing it on for free. So what are you waiting for? Send me a message on Telegram or drop a comment below. Let's get you started on your journey to success. I hope this video brings you real value. Have an amazing day.